Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai pineapple fried rice with chicken or ข้าวผัดสับปะรดไก่ Before I started, I'm going to have to say thank you for the Linda Beck to request this recipe, and I also have everything already prepared. Today is gonna be like quick and easy chicken and pineapple fried rice. I made pineapple fried rice before, so a couple times, long time ago. The last one maybe 3 years ago. So this one, so I'm going to do a little bit different than the last time I doing. Okay, already saying from the beginning, it's gonna be quick and easy pineapple fried rice with the chicken. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons the oil, and gonna make sure your wok is really hot. Okay, now my wok is really hot already. I'm going to add 1 cup the chicken breast I cut into the bite size. Okay. Wow, as you can hear, it's really hot wok. So now I'm just gonna try to make sure they're all gonna sear. The chicken gonna sear. And also the pineapple fried rice, the last time I made in about 3 years ago, and episode 268. If you're interested, because it's gonna be different than this recipe. If you're interested for that recipe, you can go back for that one and watching that one. Okay, and now our chicken starts searing on one side. I'm going to start stirring. Okay. Alright. And I got the request from this recipe last time when we do live, and then I asked everybody what they want to see me cooking, and one of the recipes, chicken and pineapple fried rice. So that's a good idea. Okay, and now when the chicken is halfway done, I just turn the the heat to the medium. I'm going to add some garlic. I have 2 cloves the garlic, chop it up. Okay. And also, same thing that I talking about, the different fried rice recipe, different pineapple fried rice recipe. I'm gonna put the link for you below. Okay, and now the garlic is starting brown. I'm going to put on the side with the chicken. Make sure I'm not burn. Make sure I'm not burn because the wok is really hot. Next, I'm going to add some butter. I have 2 tablespoons butter. Add some butter. Okay. And I have 3 eggs. I'm going to start cracking the egg. I need 3 eggs in our fried rice. This is going to be quick and easy. So, okay. 1. 2. I use 3 eggs. I like a lot of egg in fried rice, so I use 3 eggs. Alright, and then in Thailand when we make fried rice, we cook the egg, stir fry with the egg. We always like to scramble inside the pan. So I'm just going to wait a little bit, just bake the yolk, and then I'm gonna let them cook for a minute before I stir fry and mix them. Okay, and now the bottom start cooking. The bottom of the egg start cooking. I'm going to slowly move them. Okay. Alright, and I already tell you the beginning. This is gonna be quick and easy. So everything is gonna be inside one wok. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything slow. I'm gonna add the next ingredient. Okay, if you see a little bit dry, you can add a little bit oil. I'm just gonna add just a little bit oil, not even a tablespoon, because I'm going to stir fry the carrot. So I'm just gonna cook the carrot. This is a fresh carrot, so if you use frozen carrot, you don't have to put it right now, but I use the fresh carrot, dice them to the small pieces. So I just they need a longer time to cook, so I have to cook the carrot right now. Okay, when just a minute for the carrot have a chance to fry in the oil, next I'm going to add the onion. I have the 1/4 cup onion. Okay, just want the onion and the carrot bring up the flavor from the onion. Okay, just a minute the onion and the carrot cook well together. The carrot, the onion start changing the color. Okay, so now I'm going to mix everything together. Wow. I'm going to seasoning them with the salt. Just a little bit of salt. Sprinkle, 2 sprinkles salt. Okay, alright. Okay, and now give everything mixed well together. Alright, and make the loom in the middle. Now we're going to add some rice. I use the 4 cup cooked jasmine rice. The cooked jasmine rice is a leftover from last night. So really easier for you to cook with the leftover rice, because as you can see it will be easy and dry and they're separate. If you use the fresh rice, they might be mushy. It's gonna be hard for you to cook. If you don't have a choice and you don't have the leftover rice, but you're feeling for fried rice that day, you have to cook them a little bit first. Maybe cut off a little bit water, and then make sure you cool them up on the air a little bit before you use for the fried rice. That will be worth too. Okay, so now 4 cups the fried rice go in, and I'm going to mix everything well together. Alright. And today, if you can see, I use this wok because it's the reason why I didn't use my wok that I usually use. Let me grab him. Yeah. Normal I will use this wok a lot when I'm cooking for you, but today I use this one because if I use this wok with the pineapple, it will acid. It's acid on. It will damage the wok, and also the taste. It will be different from the acid. So that's why I use this wok today. Okay. Now after you mix everything well together, okay. Now I'm going to seasoning. Okay, and I'm going to seasoning them with the my seasoning soy sauce. Okay, I'm gonna put about 1.5 tablespoons. And if I'm normal day cooking, probably eyeball. But okay, and you can put the soy sauce around the wok. It will having a chance make the soy sauce smell really good. Okay, so I put 1.5 tablespoons of seasoning soy sauce, and I'm going to put 1 more tablespoon regular soy sauce. I use 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Okay, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Alright. Don't forget to sprinkle on the side of the wok too. It make it smell really good. Alright, I'm gonna give them the good mix. Make sure all the soy sauce mix well together with your fried rice. Wow. It smells really good too. This is another in Thailand, this is another food that is probably Asian. We eat rice a lot. So fried rice, we just have fried rice. That's it. It can be just one meal for us, lunch or dinner. When you make sure you give them the good mix, all the sauce is covered, and the rice is like, you can see the color is very good. All the egg and everything mixed well together already. Now I'm going to give them the taste. Smell really good. Wow, it's really good. I think I like it already. It's very happy. If you need more soy sauce, more salt, you add it on the time. Okay, but now this one is really good. I'm going to add our pineapple. I cut into the bite size. Fresh pineapple cut to the bite size. I use 1 cup. Alright, now I'm going to high the heat again and give them the stir. Yes, if I use my normal wok, the acid, it will get into the wok, and then you can taste the wok. So that's why today I use this wok. All right. Make sure you make them. Takes about a minute to mix them. For the other recipe, the Thai pineapple fried rice, the other recipe, the popular, we like to put the curry powder. But I want to make it different. This one I not put the curry powder. If you like interesting in that recipe, go to 268. And I'm gonna add the green onion and give them 1 more minute to make sure everything mix well together. Okay, I almost done. One thing I forget. Lucky I taste it. I forget the white pepper. Okay, I'm just gonna add some a little white pepper. Sprinkle some white pepper, or if you don't like white pepper, use a black pepper. Okay, and same thing with the saltiness. You can add some more salt or soy sauce if you wanted to, but this one I keep it very simple and light because I have my condiment sauce there. Okay, now I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, turn off the heat, and let's see our pineapple fried rice over here. All right, I'm going to plate them and look at all this thing. Oh my goodness, smell really good and quick and easy. Okay, and also here I have the condiment sauce. I have the cilantro for the garnish. Yep, garnish with the cilantro, and I have the condiment sauce. That's why I didn't put very salty too much, because I have my sauce. Okay, thank you again for the Linda Beck to recreate this really good recipe. Okay, now time for me to try our pineapple fried rice with chicken. Alright, today I have my condiment sauce. In this sauce have fish sauce, garlic, chili, and red onion and lime. Okay, this is really simple Thai condiment sauce. If you go to Thailand, you always see this sauce on the restaurant or the street food wherever you're going. So now I'm going to put this condiment sauce right here that I'm going to eat. But if you want to see this recipe how I make this condiment sauce, you can go to, I will put the link for you below. Okay, now I'm going to have pineapple and chicken and fried rice. Very juicy from the pineapple. Soon that I bite into it, chewy, they pop it up, sweet and sour. I make it very light when I cooking. I didn't put a lot of salt or seasoning because this condiment sauce really change everything. The spicy, the lime, the sour, it's really good. I can't wait to eat them all. And I know now Joe, he really jealous right now. He really want to eat now. But can I have one more bite? Very good. You have to make this. Wow, the chili really got me. And this is really quick and easy recipe. You can make anytime you want. Very quick and easy. I hope you like this recipe. If you do like, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.